Hello, I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about how this project is going to work. So, I opened up the budget project slideshow that is available on Google Classroom, and I have opened this spreadsheet that is on Google Classroom as well. So, the first thing I'm going to do is kind of explain what this PowerPoint is. So if you look, here's the objectives. You guys can read through that. But basically, what you're doing is creating a budget as if you are a somewhat recent graduate of college or some type of post secondary education. So you're going to be finding a job, you're going to be looking for a house, figuring out how much money you can afford to pay on a house, figuring out how much money you can afford to pay for a car, so on and so forth. So you are going to actually be building a budget. So there are two pieces, as I've already said. So part one is going to be this PowerPoint. So if you look at the PowerPoint itself, there are a series of gray slides. These are the slides that you are actually going to be filling in. All right. Anything that has a white background, these are just instructions. Okay. And notice that there are some instructions that are words, and then there are some that are videos. So in the videos, if you go to the present tab, it will actually let you play the videos, and it's me explaining what the directions are and actually walking you through what it is that you are going to be doing. Okay, so there are lots and lots of directions. If you get confused, if you are not getting the directions, you can shoot me an email, you can send me a message on Remind, whatever you need to do. So you're going to be filling out this PowerPoint, and then the amount of money that you're putting on each slide is also going to be recorded in this spreadsheet. Okay, so the spreadsheet, the only column I want you to write in is column D. Okay, everything else do not touch. So the way it's programmed, if you figure out that your net monthly income is going to be $4,700 a month, it's going to automatically populate with how much I recommend you spend on different areas. It is also going to tell you as you start putting in money. So let's say you have to spend $250 a month on your student loans. It's going to tell you over in this box over here how much money you've spent so far and how much money you have left over. All right. So this spreadsheet's going to be very important to you. So as you fill in a slide, you're going to also be adding the information to this spreadsheet. So you're going to need to use both at once. The other two slides here are also just recommendations of what percentages you should buy. But again, I've put those percentages in column C on the spreadsheet. Okay. So for Sunday, a week from today, you should be filling in the first 5 sets of directions. All right. So you're going to be picking a career. You are going to be figuring out your taxes and net pay. You're going to be figuring out your student loan and how much you're going to pay on your student loan every month. You're going to be figuring out how much money you can afford to spend on a house and picking out a house. And then you're going to figure out how much your gas and electric bill is going to cost. Notice here, slide 21, I can't make this more obvious for you. It says do not go past this point before Sunday, March 29th. So this is where you're stopping for the week. Next Sunday, I'll post the next set of directions and you guys can move through the remainder of the project. But for right now, you're going to stop at slide 21. All right. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be checking my email and checking Remind every day. Good luck.